Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the show. Not really. As you can see here, we got a blank Unity screen, totally empty, and it's going to stay empty for right now, at least in this video. I want to do a short video touching base with everybody, and first say thanks for listening and watching to the tutorials and the videos. I have a lot of fun doing them, and I'm sorry that I haven't made any in quite some time. The good news is I plan on doing some more. However, the bad news on that is I don't know how often. They're pretty low priority for me right now. I just am super busy with everything, which sucks because I really enjoy making them. But more good news is while I will do a tutorial video here and there, I wanted to have a little bit of fun because after all, for me, this is fun, and hopefully you guys have some fun along the way as well. I want to do like a sub channel here. I'm pretty sure most of you are gamers, mobile gamers, console gamers, PC gamers, etc. So I do quite a bit of mobile gaming and a little bit of console gaming, but mobile gaming, I want to do some of you might be interested in this and some might not, but I thought whatever, let's have some fun. Being game developers, I'm sure you play video games as well. So I'm going to do a sub channel, a mobile gaming, or maybe just a gaming in general channel. It'll probably be mostly mobile gaming. So hopefully you guys will check that out and have some fun with that. Reason being is I can put out a lot more content for you guys with a mobile or gaming channel as opposed to the Unity tutorials, which I still want to do, of course. So maybe with that, just leave a comment if you like what your thoughts are on that. Are you gaming right now? Are you a mobile gamer, console gamer, PC gamer? What are you playing, etc.? Right now, I'm playing mostly mobile. Still Clash Royale, and I started playing Castle Crush. I think Castle Crush, which is pretty good. It's a nice break from Clash Royale, which is getting a bit stale, a little bit old right now. So Castle Crush is kind of fun, and so anyway, yeah, just kind of doing that. Also, I don't play as much, but Chaos Battle League, I would play it more if the load times weren't as, if they were faster. They're really slow. It's just annoying to play. You know, I could play half a game, exaggerate a little bit, but I can definitely get started and be well into a game, a Clash Royale, before the title screen is even done loading on Chaos Battle League. And there's a couple other ones off the top of my head that I can't recall, but pretty much it'll be those and maybe some PS4 games. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I thought it'd be kind of fun to check it out. Tell me what you think. Might not be for everybody, but I thought I can at least put out more content that way. I'll probably be doing some streaming, maybe some silly little edits here and there of stuff that I thought was crazy, or oddball things, rare things, whatever, what have you. So anyways, I do want to say thanks to every one of you for watching and leaving comments and feedback, good or bad. It's a lot of fun, and I'm hoping to get the ball rolling on the Unity tutorials again soon. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope your games are coming along. Let me know, and thanks for watching. I'll see you around on the gaming channel. See ya.